Hey there, my Virgo brothers and sisters. Welcome to your What Do I Need read for this full moon to new moon next, October 2019. I am your reader, Mark Angela Lyons, Mal for short, president of DrawingTheCircle Productions, professional intuitive, professional witch. Been doing this forever, it seems. Well, since I was very young. And I am a Virgo Sun, so this is for Virgo Sun, Moon, and Rising signs. We're leaving Mars and Venus out of it because this is a What Do I Need quickie read, meaning that we're only pulling one card from 4 different decks. My usuals. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for following along. You know the 4 decks, like the usual suspects. The angels, the gods, the masters, and the voices of the higher selves of all concerned. So one from each, really quickie. A What Do I Need read if you're new to the channel. First of all, welcome. The What Do I Need reads are sort of an easy way to ask the divine through divination. What do I need? Like, not where am I, not what's coming, not what am I letting go of, how am I doing with that, where am I on the path of true love, where's my soulmate, screw my twin flame, none of that. It's what do I need? Yes, it's selfish, but it's higher selfish. Because sometimes that's the question we forget to ask. Well, not what do I need to do, but what do I need? And sometimes what you need to do is indicated. So let's start asking the angels, the celestials. 1 or 2 words on these Healing with the Angels oracles. So it gives you really that broad overview. But Virgos, we like detail. But it's a good place to start. So my angels, please, 1 card of clarity. The Urielites, hi. We're such ass kickers, the Urielites. I love them. Glad to be among them. My angels, please, 1 card in clarity for the Virgo collective, Sun, Moon, Rising signs. This full moon to new moon next. What do they need? Plain and simple. What do they need? 1, 2, 3. What you need is music. All right. Now, again, not my favorite card in this deck. It's a little vague because, yes, it can indicate if you have musical ability, express yourself through music or listen to the music. Whoa, listen to the music. But to me, this also comes down to what I call audio tarot. Like when I put on the radio in the car, or if I have a playlist going or something randomly generated on Spotify or YouTube, I'll put a YouTube playlist up there. The ones that you don't make yourself, but if you like one song by that artist, they'll give you like 1,000 playlists for that artist. And then, of course, while I'm working, the word that I'm typing is sung on the TV, or, you hear a song, you get a song stuck in your head, audio tarot. So what you need some music, certainly. We all do. The rhythm, the pattern, the flow of that, the harmony, the dissonance, which is a really good metaphor for life now that I think about it. But also to know that, like every song, every situation in life has a beginning, middle, and an end, and somewhere, hopefully, a climax, right? That we get something out of it, that something is harmonized or made dissonant. So keep that in mind as we now ask the gods, my gods. Oh my gods. Please, 1 card in clarity for this Virgo collective. Yeah, I know I'm in the Virgo collective. Please. I love my gods. Dionysus, who sits on the throne. The solo throne rider of the Virgo, in charge of the Virgo collective, in my life at least. Please, 1 card. 1 card in clarity for this Virgo collective, Sun, Moon, Rising sign, this full moon to new moon next. What do we need? Okay, I'll include me. What do we need? What do we need for this full moon to new moon next? What do we need to analyze, perhaps? What do we need to look at? What do we need to deal with? What do we need to do, see, feel, embrace, play? Yes! So happy to see that. Look, I just took it personally. Don Miguel Ruiz, I'm so sorry. So we've got really play the music, right? Let the music play. Little RuPaul action there. Why not? I think Kitty Girl and Riju Wrote You. I think Riju Wrote You is my favorite one. Just because of Katya. Why does she do it? Power. Anyway. My masters. I'm glad you're glad I'm having fun. Oh, hi. My masters, please, 1 card of clarity then. For this Virgo collective, Sun, Moon, Rising sign, this full moon to new moon next. What do we need? What do we need? Really, it's the dark moon and we got music and play. So play along the music. I get that. But what do we need? What do we need to look at? What do we need to deal with? What is the problem? What is the healing? What is the grace? What is the luck? What do we need? We've got the healing card of risk, that we're going to have to take the risk Take the risk. Follow the music. Play along. Play along with the music. Play along with the song that's playing out in your life. And what is the song playing out in your life? Well, I would certainly take the audio cues, the audio tarot as we go. Because yes, though this is a part of letting go, taking a risk, sure, there's a risk in letting go, but with that card of, now, we've got the Six of Flames here, right? Usually considered the card of victory in the Rider-Waite Tarot, but this deck does it differently. This is about the balancing of flame, the balancing of fire, that you can play, that you can juggle, that you can somersault, that you can really enjoy this and breathe fire if needed. That's a very, very cool card. I like that card a lot. And Bastet, come on. Egyptian cat-headed goddess of the sun, right? So down with that. I got my boys, my black kitty cats, although that kind of looks more like a Siamese cat to me with those blue eyes, but artist's interpretation, right? Cool. So music, play, risk. Now, usually I'm finding, particularly in my own divination work for myself, because yes, I have to check myself before I wreck myself. These cards have been very, very helpful, these whispers of love, really asking for my higher self, but in this case, we're asking for the higher selves of all involved in the Virgo collective. So please, higher selves of all involved. One card of clarity for this. There you are, this Virgo collective, sun, moon, rising sign. This full moon to new moon next. What do we need? What do we need to focus on? What do we need to do? What do we need to deal with? What do we need to look at? Oh, for the well-being of all, really, higher selves of all involved, one card of clarity. What do we need? The Virgo collective, sun, moon, rising signs, this full moon to new moon next. To know that you are limitless, we are limitless. Recognize this truth. You can do anything you choose to do. Why? Because you are limitless. Now, we all are at our core and our true self, like we are the universe in a body. We are the holographic miniature of the microcosm of the macrocosm, right? So kind of makes sense. I'll put these in order here. We've got this card of music, right? The angel is saying, pay attention to the music, sing the music, dance the music, let music be a guide. It's going to align you and attune you to the energy of play. Now, if you are a musician, by all means, get into playing your music, even if that means there is some sort of risk involved, right? But to take the risk on your creativity, to sing the song, to dance the dance. You know, I'm not big on karaoke. I have perfect pitch. I know it's annoying. I have perfect pitch. Like, I get very, very judgmental at karaoke. I can't even, like, watch American Idol, the auditions. Not that I ever really got into the show that much anyway. It's like rakes across a chalkboard sometimes. It's like, oh, off key. You might as well drive nails into my temples. But that doesn't mean everybody doesn't have everybody has the right to sing. Everybody has the right to make music. What that expression is, particularly when it comes from the soul. And I have to say, yes, that's a risk, but with this card of you are limitless, it's like this risk is supported. So whether it's a love song, whether it's a somebody done somebody wrong song, you know, whatever it is, sing your heart out. Dance your soul out. Sweat your prayers. Gabrielle Roth, great book, Sweat Your Prayers, about dance and prayer and movement. God, how could I forget that book? I used to have a copy. Gave it away, never saw it again. Like I said, that's what it means when you give it away, Virgo. Give it away, give it away, give it away. Now, see this music card. Like I said, not my favorite. A little too vague for me, and then it came up in the Virgo read. I'm like, okay. But something certainly luring us forward, except, you know, when you hear the creepy theme music in the haunted house, fucking run, Virgos. Virgos are like, let's not investigate. Let's close our boundaries and get the fuck out of here. Although, really, take the risk. Cool. Well, my Virgo brothers and sisters, I wish you the very best and the very blessed of this full moon to new moon next waning phase. Take the risk. Let the music play, and remember you are limitless. That don't let the fear itself limit you. Sing the song. It won't take long. Somebody come and play today. Well, full moon to new moon next. Wishing you the very best and the very blessed of the path. But for now, my mutable earth siblings, I love you so much. Thank you so much for following. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. Help Join the Circle's channel grow bigger and better every day, because that's my intention and my prayer, as we Virgos do. But for now, Farewell and blessed be.